Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I have bought a new DJI Mic 2. Let us unbox and see how it is going to look like. So it costs around 27,000 during this offer season. Wow. Okay, this is the case I got. Let us open this and see how it is exactly look like inside. So you can see this is DJI Mic 2. So we got in this package. It's a combo package since we got a receiver and two transmitters and a charging case, even carrying bag and clip magnets too, along with both Type C and the iPhone related lightning adapters. And also we got windscreen too, actually. I mean the windscreen that sponge kind of thing. And I also got audio cable and the Type C charging cable and the documents. Let's see now. I don't know, first time place this one. Okay, so I think here I got, yeah, that's exactly. Okay. See, gotcha. And this is the one. Let us put this aside and see what's other things. And it's empty, nothing else. And this is the same too. And some warranty cards and some documents, it seems. Yeah. Cool. So this is the actual package that contains all the DJI Mic 2 related components here. So let's see how it looks like. Wow. So in this pocket I can see that windscreen thingy, and this is also the windscreen thingy. And I got another silica here, and in the upper pouch I got this charging cable from DJI. And here you can see this is the actual the Mic 2 related stuff placed in this, and this is the carrying case. It's very premium and very nice. And also I missed this one. We got this the mic plug. So I think we can connect the mic with the mobile or something else, or action camera or something like that. Let it be. So this is the carrying pouch, which is good. premium looking, and quality is very nice. Cool. And this is the mic that holds receivers and charging case and everything. I think we can charge it here. Let me open this one now. So, and given like that. Cool. Oops. Let me put that one there. And yeah, I think we just have to press it just like that. And as soon as we open that, so it is showing the charging status here. And cool. As you can see, this is one transmitter, and this is the other one. So we got two transmitters, and the receiver, very little, very nice, but see, wow, this is very nice. See how it is. Cool. I will go through the documentation and see how it works. And also we got, as described in the box, so we got this type C mobile adapter, and also this one, the lightning adapter for iPhones and iPads and something like that. So we got all these things, yeah. And this is the charging case, guys. It looks very premium and very nice actually. I love it. It currently costs around 36,000 or something like that, but I bought this during the Amazon Great Indian Sale, and I got it for 28,000 around, which is good. I love this. I think this receiver has already fully charged, but of course these are also, as soon as I take this out of this box, all these are turned down, and these are looking super cool actually. Yeah, see this closely. And those magnets, right? I think these are the magnets that we got. So, oh my god, this is very tough to take off. See? Oh god. So that this magnet can hold on your shirt or anywhere. Very tough magnet. I can't even move without any force. Very nice, guys. If you are also really looking for this product, or you are looking for the, a decent mic like this, just go and purchase it. I did tons of inquiry before I purchased this, and I love this. I should have gone for DJI Mic Mini, but I don't feel that looks like a mic. That look like a kids playing with some toys or something like that. So I prefer this one. This is cool actually, and I love it. And these are the windscreen proofs. So I told you, right? So we can actually place them here. The mic, so that this can reduces the the disturbances from others. And of course this mics purely comes up with noise cancellation, but this actually smoothens your voice when you are recording. Yeah, super cool, guys. I love it. If you are also looking for this, I will put the link for this product in the description. Kindly go through it. That's all from this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you. Catch up later.